In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine values from columns with these tricks right here in Google Sheets. And stay tuned at the end of the video because I'm going to show you a bonus tip. So let's get started. If I were to combine the values within these two columns right here, I can do those in three ways. The first one would be the ampersand. So if I start my formula right here with the equal sign, select this cell right here, put in the ampersand and select the other cell, press enter, and there I have it. I've successfully combined those two values from those two different columns and have the result right here. Now, what if I want to add a space in between the first name and the last name? What I'm going to do is to double click and edit that formula. After the first ampersand, I'm going to put in a space in quotation marks. There you have it. And another ampersand. If I press enter, now we have the full name with a space in between. If I were to drag this down, I have now filled up the rest of my data, copying the same formula from the first cell right here. There you have it. So that's the first trick. Our second trick would be using the join function. So if we start our formula on this cell right here, put in join. So there it concatenates elements of arrays with a delimiter. So if we select that, here is our syntax. We are going to be starting with the delimiter or the separator for our values. So that's going to be a space, comma, our value for array 1, comma, and our value for array 2. Press enter and there you have it again. So we've successfully combined those two values with a delimiter in the middle. Now, if we try and fill out the rest of our data, we can do that by selecting that range and pressing Ctrl D on your keyboard. And we've successfully duplicated the same formula to the rest of our range. And finally, our third trick would be to use the concatenate function. So again, another function. So we're going to start with our equal sign, type in concat or concatenate right here. So again, that's another way for us to combine our values from our columns. So our first string would be this one right here, comma. If we want to add a space, we can do so by, again, putting it in quotations, space, quotations, comma, and our second string. If we press enter, here we have it, our combined values with a space in between. Another way to fill in the rest of our data would be to double click on this corner right here, bottom right corner of that cell, and there you go. And of course, for our bonus tip, we can actually use Gemini to generate a formula for us to combine those two values. So to use AI within your cells, you're just going to put in an equal sign right here on this cell, type in AI. And here is what it's going to do. It can summarize, categorize, or generate text tailored to your data with Gemini. So we are going to start by clicking on this one. And here is the syntax. So we're basically creating the prompt within our formula. So in quotation marks, we wanted to combine the cell contents from column A and column B. Closing quotations, and now we're going to just select our range right here, press enter, and there we have it. Now if we try and drag this formula down, it will do the same as we have with these ones right here. So that's how easy it is. You can combine values from columns with these tricks and that bonus tip right here in Google Sheets. If you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.